During the first week of December, we will be inspected by the Care Quality Commission. The CQC are the independent regulators of health and social care in England. They are responsible for making sure safe, effective, compassionate and high quality care is provided by health and social care services. They also encourage and promote continual improvement in health settings. Each of our sites will host a team of CQC inspectors from the 9th to the 11th of December. During this time, they will speak to our patients and their families and carers to find out what they think of the services we provide. This week gives us a great opportunity to showcase all the excellent work that we do for our patients. It also gives us a chance to demonstrate how we apply shared learning and aim to continuously improve in order to provide safe, effective and caring treatment for all our patients.
The CQC will be really keen to gain the views of a number of staff from different staff groups. So during the visit, they'll be looking to speak to both clinical and non-clinical staff, and they'll be running a number of focus groups across the Trust. So please keep a lookout for any invitations, and if you do get invited, please do come along and they will want to hear your open and honest feedback.
During the last 12 months, I've been working as a specialist advisor with the CQC and have been involved in several inspections of acute trusts around the country. I want to share some of my experiences of that with you. What I can confirm to you is that the team are particularly friendly. They're very much respectful of the staff that work in the trusts and recognise the hard work that you all do on a day-to-day basis. They're not looking to catch you out, and the majority of those staff are full-time workers within the NHS, so they recognise the hassles that we encounter on a day-to-day basis, because when they've done their inspections they go back to their organisations and will experience the same sort of problems that we will encounter.
What might the CQC focus on when they arrive? The CQC will focus on 5 key areas: safe, effective, caring, responsive and well-led. Within these areas, there are a number of themes that we think the CQC will include in their inspection. These themes were pulled together from initial discussions with the CQC and other trusts' experiences. While this is not a set list, it gives us a really good indication of what questions to expect. So within those 5 areas, let us consider some questions we may be asked. Safe. Are patients protected from abuse and avoidable harm? You may be asked questions such as, is patient safety your main concern? Do you know how to report incidents or near misses? Or, do you understand your responsibilities to be open and honest when things go wrong? Effective. Does patients' care, treatment and support achieve good outcomes, promote a good quality of life, and based on the best available evidence? You may be asked if you maintain your personal knowledge by attending training and conferences, and if you feel supported by your manager to continue your personal development. They may ask about patients' nutrition and hydration needs, and if you know who the dementia champions are in your area. Caring. Do staff involve and treat patients with compassion, kindness, dignity and respect? They will check that all our staff introduce themselves and are wearing their name badges. They could ask if you involve patients, families and carers in decisions about their care, and if you treat them with dignity and respect. Responsive. Our service is organised so that they meet patients' needs. The CQC will want to know how you act on patient feedback and if appropriate consent is gained before proceeding with treatments and operations. Well-led. Does the leadership, management and governance of the organisation assure the delivery of high-quality patient-centred care, support learning and innovation, and promote an open and fair culture? The CQC may wish to find out if you understand your contribution to the Trust strategy to be safe, effective and caring, and whether your mandatory training and PDRs are up to date.
Before the CQC leaves site on the 11th of December, the Chief Executive will receive some high-level feedback. Following that feedback, the CQC will go away and start to review their reports as an inspection team. We do know that the CQC will return to us within approximately 10 days of the 11th of December, and our experiences from other trusts indicates that this is probably going to be at a weekend, or potentially they will undertake a night visit. Following that visit, they will again go away and review their findings. We would expect to receive the reports hopefully by early spring 2016, and as soon as we have something to share, we will ensure that staff receive the information we have available to us. The Trust will receive an overall rating, and that rating could be outstanding, good, requires improvement or inadequate. And we are required to then publish all of those ratings across all of our sites within 28 days of the publication of the main report.
For more information, or if you have concerns about the inspection, please speak to your line manager. You can also contact the corporate governance team or divisional governance team. Further information is also available on the intranet and in your new What You Need to Know booklet.